Well, hello there. I am reviewing the app Weatherline today for the iPhone. By the way, I'm using the Mac app Capto to do a screencast of this iPhone app that I'm going to show you today. So props to Capto. I'll write about them more later. But I want to show you this app Weatherline that I've been using recently. It's got just a couple of views, but it's pretty much all you need. You've got the hourly view, the daily view, and the monthly view. Unique to this particular weather app is this timeline looking thing where you can really easily visually get a sense of what's going on. Here in Gloucester, we're 39 with light rain. There's more information at the bottom. You can see right under where it says light rain, it gives you the wind chill or feels like, precipitation, humidity, sunrise, sunset. And if you slide this little guy up here, you can get a little bit more information on what the light rain looks like, whether it's light rain or medium light rain or more than that. So that's convenient. You can just hide that, keep that small at the bottom if you want to. This hourly view goes into the next day pretty far. Of course, you can go and look daily, and you'll get a little summary: rain starting in the afternoon. Wednesday, light snow in the morning, and then sunny and 45 the next day. So go figure. You've got the highs up in the top line, and then the bottom line gives you the lows typically that come in the evening. You can also check out monthly averages throughout the year, and those are also noted daily. When you look through the daily weather, you get what the average for that day is as well. You can, as with the weather app for the iPhone, the native weather app, you can add as many other locations as you want to. So if you just started typing in Chicago, you can add that, and now it's going to take you to Chicago. Same thing here. You've got hourly. You can see what's going on there. It looks like they've got a really nice day coming up tomorrow, and avoiding the snow that it looks like we might have north of Boston. And you can see the monthly trends there as well. There are not a whole lot of preferences that you can customize in Weatherline, as you can see here. It's really just Fahrenheit or Celsius, as well as what towns and cities you've got there. If there were one thing I might change about this app, it would be the ability to see more in terms of precipitation when I look ahead. So when I go to Wednesday here, it does say rain starting in the evening and breezy overnight, but this bottom no precipitation screen, well, that's from right now, so that doesn't change. That's just an hourly ticker, so I think it's designed that way on purpose, and perhaps there's not that much predictability with the weather anyway. But that would be the one thing I'd like, is to be able to look out a little farther with more detail on the hour by hour. But you certainly can see what's coming up in the night, and then in the day that follows, even the day after that, leading into the morning. So plenty of information there. I highly recommend this app. You can click below for a link to see more about Weatherline. There is also a nice little today widget that you've got here that gives you just a handful of hours, and you can show more to see a little bit more, and you'll get the highs and the lows. By comparison, here's Atmos, which is another weather app. It gives you a little bit more in its today widget. But for just a quick check of the weather, I find the Weatherline Today widget pretty sufficient. So check it out, and thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.